Best diesel motor oils. Are you looking for the best diesel motor oils? In this video we will look at some of the best diesel motor oils on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Chevron Delo 400 XLE 15W40 Oil. Delo 400 XLE 15W40 Synblend diesel engine oil is a premium quality, heavy-duty motor oil designed for diesel engines operating under extreme conditions. This synthetic blend oil combines the best features of synthetic and conventional base oils, offering enhanced protection, performance, and fuel efficiency. It meets the demanding lubrication needs of both modern low-emission engines equipped with EGR, DPF, and SCR systems, as well as older diesel engines, making it a versatile choice for fleet owners and heavy-duty operators. Formulated with isosin advanced technology, Delo 400 XLE delivers excellent wear protection, soot control, and deposit resistance. The oil also provides robust oxidation stability, extending oil life and reducing maintenance intervals. It complies with API CK4, CJ4, and older classifications, ensuring broad compatibility with on- and off-highway applications, including construction equipment, agricultural machinery, and Class 8 trucks. The 15W40 viscosity grade ensures strong film strength and engine protection at both high and low temperatures. Delo 400 XLE helps maintain cleaner engines, contributing to improved performance and durability over time. It also supports lower oil consumption and enhanced shear stability under high-load conditions. Available in a convenient 1-gallon jug, pack of 1, this product is ideal for individual users or small operations who need reliable, high-performance oil in manageable quantities. Overall, Delo 400 XLE Synblend 15W40 stands out for its durability, extended drain intervals, and excellent protection in demanding diesel engine applications. Number 2. AC Delco DexosD 0W20 Oil Change Kit for Duramax Diesel LM2. The Delco DexosD 0W20 engine oil and oil filter change kit is a complete and convenient maintenance solution specifically designed for the 3.0L Duramax Diesel LM2 engine found in select General Motors vehicles, including certain Chevrolet Silverado, GMC Sierra, and SUV models. This kit includes high-quality DexosD-approved 0W20 synthetic engine oil and a genuine Delco oil filter, ensuring optimal engine performance, protection, and compatibility with manufacturer specifications. The 0W20 DexosD full synthetic motor oil is engineered to meet the stringent demands of modern diesel engines, particularly those equipped with advanced emissions systems like diesel particulate filters, DPFs. It offers excellent cold start performance, reduced oil consumption, and superior wear protection. Its low-ash formula helps maintain DPF efficiency and supports long engine life by minimizing harmful deposits and sludge. The included Delco oil filter is built with premium filtering media to trap contaminants effectively while maintaining proper oil flow, even under extreme conditions. This ensures the engine remains well lubricated and protected across a wide range of temperatures and loads. This oil and filter change kit simplifies routine maintenance by providing all essential components in one package, ensuring OEM quality service. Designed to extend oil life and improve fuel efficiency, the Delco kit helps maintain peak performance and engine reliability for the LM2 3.0L Duramax diesel. It is a trusted choice for vehicle owners who want the confidence of GM-backed quality and precise fitment for their diesel-powered vehicles. Number 3. Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck Oil. Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck 5W40 Full Synthetic Motor Oil is a high-performance lubricant engineered for use in both light and heavy-duty diesel engines. Designed to meet the demanding requirements of modern diesel-powered vehicles, this advanced full synthetic formulation provides exceptional protection, performance, and longevity even under the harshest operating conditions. It is suitable for both on-road trucks and off-road machinery, making it a versatile choice for commercial fleets and personal diesel-powered vehicles. This oil delivers outstanding wear protection, soot control, and thermal stability, which helps extend engine life and maintain peak performance over extended service intervals. Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck 5W40 also resists breakdown at high temperatures and flows easily in cold conditions, providing reliable startup protection and reducing engine wear during cold starts. Formulated to meet or exceed the requirements of major industry standards such as API CK4, CJ4, and ACAE 7, this oil is compatible with advanced emissions systems like diesel particulate filters, DPFs, and exhaust gas recirculation, EGR. Its low-ash formulation helps reduce deposits and supports cleaner engine operation. The 1-gallon container is ideal for individual users, DIY oil changes, or topping off. Whether you're driving a pickup with a Duramax, Cummins, or Power Stroke engine or operating a piece of diesel equipment, Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck 5W40 offers the durability, cleanliness, and fuel economy benefits that drivers and technicians trust. It's a top-tier synthetic option for protecting modern diesel engines in demanding conditions. Number 4. Schaeffer 9000 CK4-006S Diesel Engine Oil. Schaeffer's 9000 CK4-006S Synshield OTR plus full synthetic 5W40 diesel engine oil is a premium, heavy-duty lubricant engineered for maximum engine protection and performance in modern diesel engines, including those requiring API CK4 specifications. Designed for over-the-road, OTR, fleets and off-road equipment, this oil delivers exceptional wear protection, soot control, and thermal stability under severe operating conditions. Formulated using advanced full synthetic base oils and proprietary additive technology, the Synshield OTR Plus helps extend oil change intervals, reduce engine deposits, and maintain cleaner pistons and turbochargers. Its enhanced oxidation resistance and low-temperature fluidity make it ideal for year-round use, offering fast cold starts and protection in both hot and cold climates. Schaeffer includes their exclusive Micron Moly and Penetro additive systems, which create a durable anti-wear barrier to reduce friction and extend engine life. These additives also improve fuel economy and protect against scuffing and scoring under high-load, high-temperature conditions. The oil is compatible with emissions control systems, including diesel particulate filters, DPF, and selective catalytic reduction, SCR, systems, helping to maintain compliance and minimize maintenance costs. It's suitable for use in both older engines and newer models equipped with EGR, DPF, or DEF systems. In summary, Schaeffer's Synshield OTR Plus 5W40 provides robust, long-lasting protection for heavy-duty diesel engines, offering superior lubrication, extended drain intervals, enhanced engine cleanliness, and fuel-saving potential. It's an excellent choice for fleets, owner-operators, and equipment managers seeking to reduce downtime and improve engine reliability in demanding diesel environments. Number 5. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 5W40 Diesel Engine Oil. Shell Rotella T6 5W40 Full Synthetic Heavy-Duty Diesel Engine Oil delivers outstanding protection and performance for both diesel and gasoline engines in challenging conditions. This product, offered as a 3-pack of 1-gallon containers, is engineered with advanced synthetic base oils and Shell's Triple Protection Plus technology. It combines fully synthetic base oils with advanced additive technology to improve wear resistance, cleanliness, and oxidation stability. This results in a longer engine life and reduced maintenance costs. This motor oil is especially suited for high-performance diesel engines and vehicles operating in extreme temperatures. It maintains consistent viscosity and film strength to provide excellent lubrication and protection under heavy loads, cold starts, and long-haul operations. Shell Rotella T6 meets or exceeds industry specifications such as API CK4, CJ4, and ACAE 9, making it compatible with a wide range of modern engines, including those with EGR, exhaust gas recirculation, DPF, diesel particulate filters, and SCR, selective catalytic reduction, systems. The oil's low-ash formulation helps minimize exhaust blockages and emissions system damage, supporting better fuel economy and environmental performance. It also helps prevent deposit buildup and oil breakdown, keeping engines cleaner and more efficient over extended drain intervals. Trusted by commercial fleets and individual diesel vehicle owners alike, Shell Rotella T6 offers superior protection, reliable cold weather performance, and excellent value in this 3-pack option. It's a premium choice for durability, cleanliness, and all-weather engine efficiency.